I got up one Sunday morning to get ready to go down and meet my mates at the pub. We were going to Spain the following morning, 9 of us. I stood up, went back down, I stood up again, went back down again. I just couldn't stand up. Phoned an ambulance right away. Took me into a hospital. I was in there for 12 days getting tests and scans and all different things. And then they realised it was probably Guillain-Barré syndrome I had. And that was the start of a long 11 months, mostly completely paralysed. It eventually hit my respiratory system, stopped my breathing, so I was in life support for a while as well. When I came out of life support I couldn't even speak, so it was a frustrating time. I like my chat so. I got throwing balls, but it was like standing on the mat holding the stick and no stepping off, no playing the traditional way of balls. I came home, thought about it, I quite liked that. And I went and got a big bit of foam rubber and I put it along the skirting board in my bedroom, with my bed on this side. I stuck my left arm and I started throwing the balls against the skirting board. I started trying to step off the mat, and I did that for probably the best part of 3 months, nearly every night, falling in the bed, getting back up and going again. A couple of times I was down on the floor, climbing back onto the bed and back up and back again. Things really took off from there. My mindset improved, my dark days became less and less. I looked forward to going to training weekends. I looked forward to getting my Scotland team shirt and shorts and all these small things that all meant a very, very lot to me. I just waited till the team got announced. I got the phone call and then I had to keep it to myself for I think about 3 to 4 weeks before it was made public, which was very difficult. Oh, it was very difficult because I wanted just to get on Facebook and let everybody know. I wanted to let them all know, I've done it, I've made it. Getting there's finished for me now. Winning is the main objective now. And a medal of any colour's nice to have, but I want gold. I've not got too many years left. I could manage another game maybe, or maybe even another 2, because other than my illness I actually feel good in myself. I've always felt good, I've always kept myself pretty fit. I don't smoke now, I very rarely touch alcohol now. So again, I don't know what the future holds, but I know it holds more than what it did 6 years ago, 7 years ago.